Hi, to turn on and off caller ID on your Redmi Note 14 5G, all you have to do is find and open your default phone app. Now on the top, select three dots and choose settings. After that, you should see this first tab caller ID and spam. Simply select it. And now you can see the switcher near the feature See Caller and Spam ID. So you can either turn on to see caller and spam ID or you can turn it off by tapping on the switcher just like that. And now you can go back and also check this blocked numbers tab in which you can find this feature to block calls from unidentified callers. So if you're willing to try this out, just tap on the switcher and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.